How to add credit or debit card on Apple Wallet. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add a credit card or debit card on your Apple Wallet. So first thing, just open up your Apple Wallet, and once you're inside here, click on this plus icon, and once you see there is an option that is debit or credit card. So if you haven't applied for any Apple card yet, you can also directly apply from over here. So just tap on this debit or credit card, and here you shall see the option to continue. Just select it, and you can basically hold your card while being tilted towards its chip. Just hold your iPhone near the chip on the card to add it to your wallet directly, or you can also just tap on this button over here at the bottom saying enter your card details manually. So you can just enter your name on the card and your card number, and simply follow along with the on-screen instruction by simply tapping on this next, where you will also need to provide your CVV number of your card, and just like that your card details such as your add credit card or debit card will be successfully added to your wallet. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.